Taco Tech Tips here. Today we got the AirPods Pro right here. Whoop, upside down. Alright, let's open her up. In the box, got the little manual here. Okay. Put that to the side. Here's the AirPods themselves, still in the wrapper. Here we got, let's see, here we get the lightning cable. Pretty nice lightning cable, actually. Oh, it looks like a Type-C. Looks like a Type-C cable, actually. Got the different ear tips. Let's put that stuff away. We're not going to need that for now. Alright, let's open this up. Garbage side. So, let's open it up. Oh wow, these are nice. Let's take them out. So, that's what they look like. So, let's get them paired up. Oh, I'm so not used to this. How were they? Okay. So, let's go to, there we go, now your AirPods Pro. Connect. Gotta hold the button in the back. And we are compared. Alright. Bluetooth. Master's AirPods Pro. There we go. Now you see we got the controls here for the AirPods Pro. So let's do noise cancellation mode. And now let's play some music. So we have here Dream Distortion, Daniel Avery. You won't hear any of it, obviously, because of copyright. And they work pretty well. Again, this has been Taco Tech Tips. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.